Rashford with an incisive pass. Mbappe. Rashford! And Rashford showing here, he's not just a flash in the pan, he's a crash in the box. Shreds it through. Brilliant pass, can he finish it? Magnificent from the goalkeeper.
Well, it's all about...
And this could bring them level. James Rodriguez. That was a good chance to get level here.
Well, it certainly was. Good move too, and give him another chance. I think he might take it.
Put the corner in the middle. There was the opportunity to extend this lead.
Yeah, he took it early. Maybe a bit too early, as it turned out.
Sane! Well, it's one of those that hits the post and goes in to the delight of the scorer.
He might have mishit it, I don't know, but he doesn't care.
Gabriel Jesus. And in it goes towards the far post. He couldn't have hit that better. Difficult technique.
Yeah, and you've got to have confidence to take that on, and he's playing with confidence.
Whipped in from the wide area. Cleared away by the defender. Shots on here. But what a good try. Off the outside of the post.
Certainly caught it, and I don't think the keeper was getting across that.
Leroy Sané gets his cross in. It's in off the post.
Talk about precision.